This is the January 2025 Bag Makers box, and today I'm going to do a full unboxing and show you everything that is inside and my full thought process behind it. Hopefully I'm going to give you some tips and tricks along the way too. Hi, I'm Emma at Studio77. If you're new here, welcome. Please do consider subscribing. Today I'm going to take you through, like I say, a full unboxing, so let's get into it. Okay, so here's the box as it comes. Opening it up. This is exactly how you're going to see it. So inside, I've got this sticker. And each box comes with a leaflet. This time I have upgraded the leaflet. So before I had it as a slightly kind of thinner paper, and now it is a more robust card, which I have had some feedback from you guys and you saying you're really liking this. It's got more of a matte finish as well. Looking at the leaflet, inside we always have 20% off codes for 3 different designers. And so the leaflet looks like this. So this month we have got Hills Handmade, we always have one of my patterns of course, and then we have Chris W Designs as well. And there are 20% off codes for 3 different patterns, and the 3 different patterns go with the contents of the box. So this is not a kit, it is more a box of inspiration for you guys to hopefully be inspired to use your own patterns. You might have patterns at home, or if you don't, you can choose to go with one of these coupons inside the box. Now the inspiration behind the hardware for this box is that for the September box I had purple hardware and you guys went crazy for it. So I thought, why not bring it back but have a slight difference to it. So I'm going to show you. So this time I have chosen to have pink hardware because I thought that would be really fun. So we have got 2 lobster clasps and we have got 2 D-rings. I love these triangular shaped D-rings. These D-rings I find are a lot nicer on your bags because if you put your strap through there, it's less likely to twist around in your bags, and then you have your lobster clasp go in that hole. You can also use them on backpack straps, and you can have a carabiner or a lobster clasp hook onto there, have a little pouch hanging off your backpack strap as well. So that is the hardware. You've also got a little bit of a hint at what's to come. 2 zipper pulls as well, obviously in that pink design, and these are all unique to the box. Now one thing that I get asked over and over every single time is, where can I get more of this fabric, where can I get more of this hardware, etc. Now I have to say, more and more often now I am making items bespoke to the Bag Makers box, so unfortunately there aren't any extras to what are inside. You can't get them from other shops usually. However, I often do have extra boxes available, and you can find those on the website. At the moment, as this video comes out, there are some extra one-off boxes. You can find those in the one-off mystery box listing. Okay, next up, I'm trying not to give away what is inside. We have, this time I decided to have fruit pastels inside. These sweets are some of my favourite. They're also vegan friendly, which is really important because I wanted for everybody to be able to enjoy them. Normally we have a tea bag included, but this time we have fruit pastels. Who knows, I might go back to the tea bags next time, or we might do some different candy or sweets. We always have stickers as well in every box, and this time we have these 2. So we have Maker of Cool Stuff, and then we have I got 99 problems but a stitch ain't one as well. And this one is on a holographic base and this one is on a mirror base. And this one kind of gives you a hint as to what the fabric is like as well. So we also have zipper tape, of course, to go with the zipper pulls that I've just showed you. It has got this gorgeous pink teeth. And then last but not least is the thing that everybody has been really excited about, and that is this really lovely, and this is a new base for me. It is, I'm calling it a twill waterproof canvas, and I have called this print Ink. It is such a beautiful print. I wanted to have something that was a little bit more neutral, maybe not so florally as I have chosen in the past. And I feel like this hits the bill. And with that hardware as well, you can make a really beautiful bag. Now I have to say, as soon as I got this, I really loved the base so much. It has a thicker kind of base to other waterproof canvases that I have used. It's quite sturdy. You definitely don't need interfacing, but it does still have a nice drape to it as well. This is great if you want to pair it with your faux leathers that you don't necessarily want to put a stabilizer in. If you use this for your lining, it's going to hold up and help you have a little bit more structure to your bags. In fact, as soon as I got this fabric, I knew that I wanted to give it a test out. So I did make my friend a little boxy pouch. I will put that up on the screen right now so you can see what I made using this box. And I used the November Bag Makers box items as well. That beautiful faux ruched leather that went with it too. I will pop a link to the video in the description below so you can check out the unboxing of the November Bag Makers box. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments box below what you think of this box. It is almost exactly a month until the next box ships. So if you would like to get your hands on the next box of goodies for the Bag Makers box, do check out in the description the link to join us, and also, like I say, to find the one-off mystery boxes, which at the moment is this exact January box. If you're not sure if it is, if you're watching afterwards, you will find it in the description of the listing which box you're going to get, or if it is indeed a complete mashup mystery box. Thanks so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.